Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 5 to your phone. First, make sure your watch is charged and powered on. Next, download the Samsung Wearable app from your phone's App Store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone. This is a crucial first step for a smooth connection process. Once the app is open, tap Start and then select your Galaxy Watch 5 from the available devices. A pairing code will appear on both your watch and your phone. Verify that these codes match, then confirm on both devices to proceed with the connection. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are fantastic for keeping your food fresh. They make healthy eating so much easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. After confirming the pairing, you will be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions. Next, sign in to your Samsung account or create a new one if you do not have one. Finally, grant the necessary permissions so your watch can access all features. With your watch connected, you can now personalize it. Choose from various watch faces and arrange your app layout to your liking. Sync your contacts, calendar, and notifications to receive alerts directly on your wrist. Take time to explore all the additional settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.